Finishing restorations 1 unit of time or more. Disking of the teeth interproximal. Recontouring natural teeth for aesthetic reasons. Recontouring of teeth for functional reasons. Occlusal adjustment, equilibration. Caries trauma pain control. Removal of carious lesions or existing restoration or gingivally attached tooth fragment and placement of sedative protective dressings. Includes pulp caps when necessary as a separate procedure. First tooth. Each additional tooth in same quadrant. Trauma control. Smoothing of fractured surfaces. Restorations. Amalgam. Primary teeth. Non-bonded, bonded. One surface or more. Filling baby tooth. Amalgam. Bonded. Restorations. Amalgam. Bonded, non-bonded. Permanent bicuspids, anteriors, and molars. One or more surfaces per tooth. Restorations. Amalgam course. Bonded, non-bonded. In conjunction with crown or fixed bridge retainer. Pins. Retentive per restoration. For amalgams and tooth-colored restorations. One or more pins. Restorations made to a tooth supporting an existing partial denture clasp. Restorations. Prefabricated. Metal, plastic, porcelain, ceramic, polymer glass, primary, permanent teeth. Anterior, posterior. Restorations. Tooth-colored, non-bonded technique. Permanent anteriors. Restorations. Permanent anteriors. Bonded technique. Not to be used for veneer applications or diastema clauses. Restorations. Tooth-colored plastic with without silver fillings, primary posterior, non-bonded. Restorations. Tooth-colored primary posterior, bonded technique, one or more surfaces. Restorations. Tooth-colored, bonded, non-bonded core. In conjunction with crown or fixed bridge retainer. Restorations. Foil, gold, anteriors, classes 1, 3, 5, 4. Restorations. Foil, gold, posterior, classes 1, 2, 5. Restorations. Inlays, metal, one or more surfaces. Restorations, inlays, composite, indirect, bonded, one or more surfaces. Restorations, inlays, porcelain, ceramic, polymer glass, bonded. Restorations, onlays, cast metal, composite, porcelain, ceramic, polymer glass, indirect, bonded, non-bonded. Restoration. Pins, retentive, for inlays, onlays, and crowns per tooth. One pin, tooth or more. Posts. Cast metal, including core, as a separate procedure, single section or more. Posts. Cast metal, including core, concurrent with impression for crown, single section or more. Posts, prefabricated retentive. Posts, prefabricated, retentive and cast core, one post or more, same tooth, and cast core. Posts, provisional. Posts, removal, 1 unit of time or more. Implants, mesostructures, indirect, angle, transmucosal prefabrication, abutment. Implants, mesostructures, indirect, custom laboratory, fabricated. Implants, mesostructures, direct with intraoral preparation. Crowns, single units, acrylic, composite, compomer, with without cast or prefabricated metal bases, indirect. Crowns, acrylic, composite, compomer, indirect, complicated, restorative, positional, and/or aesthetic. Crowns, acrylic, composite, compomer, provisional, lab fabricated, relined intraorally. Crowns, implant, acrylic, composite, compomer, cast metal base, implant supported. Crowns, acrylic, composite, compomer, cast metal base with cast post retention. Crowns, porcelain, ceramic, polymer glass, implant supported. Crowns, porcelain, ceramic, polymer glass, fused to metal base, complicated, restorative, positional, and/or aesthetic. Crowns, 3 fraction 4, porcelain, ceramic, polymer glass, complicated. Crowns, made to an existing partial denture clasp. Coping, metal acrylic, transfer thimble concurrent with impression for crown. Coping, metal acrylic, transfer thimble as a separate. Veneers, laboratory, processed, acrylic, composite, compomer, bonded. Veneers, porcelain, ceramic, polymer glass, bonded. Repairs, recontouring of existing crowns. Restorative procedure, over dentures, direct, natural tooth preparation, placement of pulp chamber restoration, endodontically treated tooth. Restorative procedure, over dentures, direct, natural tooth preparation, and fluoride application, vital tooth. Prefabricated attachment as an internal or external overdenture retentive device, direct to natural tooth. Implant-supported prefabricated attachment as an overdenture retentive device, direct. Restorative procedures, coping crown, cast metal, no attachments, indirect. Recementation, rebonding, inlays, onlays, veneers, posts, natural tooth fragments. Removal, inlays, onlays, crowns, veneers. Staining, porcelain, chairside.